Whether you presently have a positive or negative net worth, using credit cards wisely may help you build and grow your wealth. Every credit card offers credit lines you may utilize for financial gain, and many also provide worthwhile rewards programs that can help you build your bank account balance. Here are some tried and true methods for maximizing your use of credit cards. Your net worth might increase more quickly than you anticipate if you implement even a few of them. Numerous credit card rewards new customers with significant welcome bonuses. For instance, after spending the requisite amount, both the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred card give a sizable sign-up bonus. The following benefits are offered by the Capital One Venture credit card. Spend $4,000 on purchases within 3 months of account opening to receive a one-time bonus of 75,000 miles, which is equivalent to $750 in travel. Earn daily unlimited 2 times miles on all purchases. Earn 5 times points when you reserve hotels and rental cars via Capital One Travel, where you can find the lowest rates on hundreds of different travel alternatives. There's no cap on the number of miles you may earn, and they are valid for the duration of your account. Get a credit card of up to $100 for TSA or global entry, pre-check through the Partner Lounge Network, get 2 free visits per year to Capital One lounges or to more than 100 Plaza Premium lounges. The benefits of the Chase Sapphire Preferred card are as follows. After making $4,000 in purchases during the first 3 months after account opening, earn 60,000 bonus points. When you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards, it amounts to $700. Benefits include things like a $50 yearly Ultimate Rewards hotel credit, 5 times on travel bought through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 times on dining, and 2 times on all other travel purchases. When you use your Chase Ultimate Rewards to book flights, lodging, rental cars, and cruises, you'll receive 25% extra value. For instance, 60,000 points are equivalent to $750 in airfare. You may rely on insurance for things like lost luggage, an auto rental collision damage waiver, and trip cancellation interruption insurance. Receive free access to Dash Pass, which enables free delivery and reduced service charges for a minimum of 1 year when you activate by December 31st, 2024. It's crucial to satisfy the minimum spending requirements and pay the whole bill amount. So plan ahead for your necessary purchases and make sure you have the funds on hand. Using miles and points for travel expenditures rather than cashing them out will result in the maximum redemption value. Use your rewards to pay for the travel and lodging, then keep the money you would have otherwise spent on them. When used wisely, cashback credit cards are fantastic and may improve your financial situation. Consider that you had a credit card like the Citi Double Cash Card that gives you a flat 2% cash back on every dollar you charge. Add up all the costs you may charge to the card, but you can also afford to pay in cash. Expenses like electricity, food, dining out, entertainment, clothing, petrol, auto maintenance, vet costs, and other such items are examples. Instead of paying for these things with cash from your bank account, charge them to your card. Avoid exceeding your credit limit or charging more than you can afford to pay back by paying the bill immediately after each transaction with the money that you put aside. Otherwise, interest will be charged to the balance, making the prizes worthless. Here's an illustration of how it may benefit you. Over a course of a year, if you routinely charge $5,000 each month and receive 2% cash back on every purchase, you will have made $1,200. You may increase your benefits by being the principal payer, regardless of the type of rewards card you have, miles, points, or cash. Use your credit card every time you go out with friends, whether it's for dinner, the movies, or a sporting event, and ask them to pay you back immediately, or offer to make a substantial purchase on behalf of the reliable friend or family member who lacks a credit card in exchange for receiving prompt payment in cash. This strategy might be helpful to those who don't have or enjoy using a credit card. To avoid getting into debt, just make sure to transfer their money into your credit card account, but you'll be the only one to receive the worthwhile benefits. Imagine you received a $1,250 welcome bonus from one credit card and $1,200 in cash back from either that card or another. You would then have $2,450 to invest in the stock market in addition to saving. Create a brokerage account, put the funds into a stock mutual fund, and promise to co-fund an additional $100 every month. In 10 years, assuming a conservative rate of return of 7%, you'll have accumulated $22,333. Think about utilizing a credit card with a brokerage account attached to it, such as the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card, so you can easily transfer your rewards into the account that generates income. Every credit card has a credit line, or the maximum amount you are permitted to charge. You can buy undervalued products with the credit line and then sell them for the correct price right away. To pull this off, you're going to need to be rather astute. but it's possible. For instance, if you have an eye for antiques, you can search swap meets for goods you know are worth more or haggle the price even lower to boost your profit. Buy and sell the things inside the interest-free grace period of your credit card, usually between 25 and 30 days. If you use a rewards card, you're going to also accrue points, miles, or money in addition to the earnings. Being forced to live paycheck to paycheck because you lack the qualifications for a job paying more? Consider taking courses that can put you on the fast track to a higher salary. If you don't have the money to make it happen, a credit card may be helpful. Charge the class fee and create a workable plan to pay it off by or before 12 months. You'll be debt-free in a year and spend just $184 in interest if you charge a $1,500 course to a credit card with a 22% APR and make set payments of $140 each month. Not at all awful. 10 jobs with large salary increases with a certificate have been found by the recruitment website Monster.com. For instance, an actuary with a qualification often makes 75% more money than one without. Consider getting a credit card with a 0% APR for a set period of time if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and are confident that your company concept will generate income. For no additional cost, it may offer your small business the cash it needs. You could, for instance, wish to finally start selling your renowned muffins at a neighborhood farmer's market, but you don't currently have enough money in savings to cover the cost of marketing, supplies, ingredients, and stall rent. You might simply need a credit card with a lengthy introductory period of 0% interest, like the Citi Diamond Preferred Card, to get the business off the ground. Your credit card might be the gateway to an effective business venture, provided you settle with outstanding debt before the standard purchase APR begins. You may use credit card dollars to make the necessary improvements to your house before placing it on the market if you want to sell it, but it requires some remodeling or repairs. The value increase may be significant. Cleaning and decluttering, which may raise the value of your property by $1,990, is one of at least 10 outstanding returns on investment, according to Reality Times. Home staging, which involves swapping out your furnishing for more modern or generic pieces for open houses, may cost roughly $550 but raise the value of your property by $2,194. Additionally, a $540 landscaping job may result in a $1,505 price rise, not negligible sums. The list of consumer goods and services that are offered on daily deal sites like Groupon is frequently significantly reduced, sometimes by 50% or more. Use your credit card to take advantage of the time-sensitive chances when they come up if you're going to buy these things anyhow. Calculate the amount you would have spent as you go. Imagine, for instance, if you wanted to take a $3,000 Hawaiian trip. You might be able to get it half off if you buy it from one of these bargain merchants. The $1,500 in savings can then be added to your investing account. You may definitely use your credit card to increase your wealth, but finding the ideal credit account for you is frequently the first step. If you use certain credit cards to accrue points and miles and others to get cash back, having many cards may be preferable to having just one. Just be cautious and only apply for accounts that you are eligible for and will find useful. All of the aforementioned strategies have the potential to generate income, but if you hold a costly amount for an extended period of time, which is simple to accomplish if you lose focus, you risk losing money. Therefore, if your goal is to accumulate more money, think carefully before making each purchase and routinely analyze all of your account activities to keep tabs on your spending. There's no reason a credit card can't transform into positive assets rather than negative obligations with this level of devotion. Comment with your thoughts below and subscribe to our channel.